Founded in 1949, Ranchi Women's College has been a leader in women's education for decades. September 20th, IREED Academy, a leading institution, is committed to bridging the skill gap in India's real estate sector, proudly partnered with Ranchi Women's College to host an insightful workshop with over 400 plus registration and 200 plus students actively participated. The workshop provided valuable insights into the real estate industry, preparing students for the future success. September 21st, a recruitment drive followed where 35 students were selected for opportunities to thrive in the industry. Together, Ranchi Women's College and IREED Academy are empowering students, shaping future and creating leaders in the real estate world.